our channel. How was it all? In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to CoinMetro. Do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser, your default search. Then search CoinMetro sign up. Then go to first result that shows up. Go to go.coinmetro.com/account/signup. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your email. Then set a password with list of 6 characters with a combination of capital letter, small letter, digit, and symbols. Retype the created password to confirm it. Once you have confirmed your password, click to agree to terms and conditions. Then click to create account. This is how you can sign up to CoinMetro. This was for today's video. Guys, find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.